Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to view and clear autopilot alerts in your Tesla, just keeping your driving experience smooth and stress-free. So, first things first, while you're in your Tesla, just tap on the autopilot icon, which is located at the bottom right of your touchscreen, and this will take you to the autopilot settings where you can actually see any alerts or notifications. So once you're in the autopilot section, you just want to scroll down to find the alert section. Okay, here you'll find a list of any active alerts such as this one and any active autopilot alerts. What you want to do, guys, is each alert basically will provide information on the issue and any recommended actions. So to actually clear an alert, what you want to do is simply tap on the alert notification. Okay, this will actually give you more details, and at the bottom you'll see an option to clear it. Just hit clear and the alert will be removed from the list, guys. Okay, so if you actually notice any persistent alerts, make sure to follow any instructions provided to resolve the issues. It's important, guys, that your autopilot system is functioning optimally for your safety, guys. And that's it, guys. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.